Hi everyone! Today I will take you through the steps that I take to create mini art prints at home. So let's begin! First, of course, you'll need to create the artwork to print. I use iPad Air plus Procreate to create my digital paintings, but you can use whatever works best for you. For canvas size, I would recommend googling your print paper dimensions. I searched for A3 size in pixels at 300 dpi, and that came to 3508 by 4960 pixels. But if your device can stomach more, I would even take A2 or A1 size just to future-proof it, if you decide to make bigger prints in the future. Then, of course, we need to have the paper itself. And believe me when I say it might take some time to find the one that works for you. The first paper I tried was this high-gloss Canon Photo Paper Plus. That's A4 and 265 grams per square meter. And even though the quality was great, I came to the conclusion that I don't like the glossy look for my artwork. I also wasn't a fan of the Canon watermarks on the other side, and it would be an extra hassle to cut all of the prints to size. The second one was this colorway 4x6 inch paper that I found for really cheap, around €3. And it has matte finish and it's 190 grams. And for this, the quality was quite good. It was the right size straight away, and I loved the matte finish, but the print was just too thin for my liking. So now we have come to option number 3, which, spoiler alert, was the winner. It's this Kodak 4x6 fine art paper that has a smooth matte finish, and best of all, it's 230 grams without watermarks on the other side, which ultimately was the reason why I chose it for my prints. So, if you're looking for a good 4x6 inch paper for your mini prints, I would definitely recommend this one. Of course, another important component to making high-quality art prints is the printer. I have Epson L4266 inkjet printer, which was recommended to me by other artists. It can print up to A4 size paper, and it really does make very good quality prints. Plus, the ink will last you for a very long time. I did a lot of test prints, and I also print all kinds of other things like business cards, backing cards, etc. And I have barely scratched the surface. And when it comes to print settings, I make sure to choose 4x6 borderless paper size, fill entire paper, set the print quality to best, and choose the photo matte paper as the media type. And here you go. That's how I make my mini art prints at home. Of course, don't forget to also protect them when sending out by either getting some rigid mailers or cardboard to put as backing. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I would appreciate if you could like this video, maybe even have a comment or share it with a friend if you're feeling extra spicy today. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!